there, I'm Charlie, and today we're going to be looking at this cystoscope that I found. This was made by Joseph Leder. He was a engineer in Austria, and around 1879. This is a groundbreaking instrument. It's the main thing. This piece here was for urology. It looks sort of like that. You can actually view inside the canal, inside the body with it. It had an electric light on the top. Here's the eyepiece, and so it was like a periscope, and you'd actually look inside and view what was going on. Here's the other end here. Here's the light bulb, and here's the little lens. This came with all sorts of cool accessories. It came with all these extra light bulbs, and this actually lube. This is an electrical piece that it clips on here, and you plug it into a power supply, and it lights that light. This is another piece that was actually made to expand. I think it was made to expand inside and enlarge things. It has this little handle on the end. This doesn't look like fun instruments, but there you go. There's a full-size shot of it. And this came with all sorts of accessories. It's like a little valve thing. I have no idea what that was for. And this little piece here, it was a full kit for, we got this from a urologist's office. And here's another shot of that with the valves on it. They actually turn the end to and open up this little end piece here to expand it. And yeah, it was kind of crazy. And, this actually had little seals in it, this little piece in the box. And here's another piece with like a ratchet thing. This is a fantastic precision-made equipment. It's just wonderful, actually. Very cool. Yeah, I wish I knew exactly what all this was used for. This tube had little seals in it too, like little rubber gaskets. They're all kind of getting powdery, but had this little box here with extra eyepieces and such. I don't know what those did exactly, but it's pretty cool. Here's another shot of the whole kit. It was just really a fantastic find. It came in a rosewood box, a little bit of pitting on the top. The box is really sturdy and nice. It clips up nice. Very cool. Very cool.